Well, I wanted them to get the oil. And
Oh, so these guys you Muscat. The guy on the windshield.
yeah, that's my mascot.
Your Muscat. What's your name? You give it the name?
That's Oscar.
Oscar. Wow. This is so nice.
He's rode a lot of miles.
So who is older? You, him or me?
I'm just about 71.
So I'm older than you. Believe it or not, this young fellow, tell him your age.
Yeah.
You won't believe it. 82.
Wow.
He's amazing. We've been here for half an hour talking about politics and everything. Yeah. So you are a young pots. Sorry, just kidding you. Nice. Let's see. Are you going to drive this way? I'm going to follow you.
Yeah, I'm going to go.
Yeah. Let's go. Oi, oi, oi. Go reverse. Look at this guy. Just like a bike handle.
We have the 6-foot stand. Standard. Yeah, okay.
Nice. This guy have fun. Lovely. Hi there. So it must go fast, this motorcycle, huh?
A trike, a bike, or I guess it's a trike. A trike, okay. Backwards. I shouldn't say trike.
Oh.
I shouldn't use the word.
Oh, so you have, let me see, open it again. Wow. Can put, holy crap. Rain jacket.
It's got a custom suitcase that goes in there.
Holy. Is it expensive if I may ask?
Yeah.
What does it go? 30,000? 25?
Oh no, higher.
You're kidding me.
No.
How fast can you ride it?
Highway speeds.
Yeah, I've seen on the bike people, you know, look at this. Guy got everything. Can you start it? I want to hear the noise.
Oh, it's quiet.
Who manufactured it? Is this domestic or is this another American design and made or
That's actually Canadian.
Canadian make it?
Bombardier?
Oh, you're kidding me.
Yeah, they've always.
So now it's going to be cold, so you better have a good jacket. I've seen them on to a 22X. They drive it very fast.
Oh yeah.
That's where I go with the bike training.
Yeah,
Come watch, he's going to start it.
I can cruise with the best of them. It's pretty quiet.
So let's hear it. Oi, oi, oi. Nice. Believe it or not, I've seen those on the road. It's just in the parking lot, and it is going fast. Unreal. BRP. Wow. BRP. Look at this. That's you?
Could I ask you a question?
Yes.
What this beast supposed to be?
I don't know. It's called BR something. Yo, Wonder too. I thought it was yours.
No. No.
It's a beauty. Come, have a look.
Yeah, no, it has nice lines.
Only
Yeah.
3 wheels.
Yeah, true, but you know, it is a trike, you know.
Yeah,
But
and you know,
You just look at it. It has nice.
it's a
straight
shape. It's a
line.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's a nice looking machine.
Yes.
Yeah, it look like utility for a trailer.
Yeah, he can carry his luggage or whatever. This gentleman I just met, he's wondering like me. I've seen them on the road. They go fast, my friend. These things go real fast. Believe it or not.
BRP.
Yeah, here, the name is here. Look at the shock observer. Believe it or not.
Yeah, it's
See, it's called
you know, it does
BRP. Yeah.
Road
Amazing.
tax and, no,
Nice.
it's nice.
You like me. You like your couriers.
The paint, you know, everything is.
Yeah.
It's a nice machine.
Beautiful. Where'd you come from, my friend?
Me?
Yeah.
Trinidad.
Trinidad. Nice place.